In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what turnkey real estate is and where to find properties for your turnkey real estate investing business. Now, if you don't want to deal with the hassle of rehab, finding properties, dealing with tenants, etc., turnkey real estate investing is probably the best for you. Now, if I can achieve a 15% cash on cash return and not have to deal with the tenants, finding the property, etc., I'm going to do that every single time. Sure, there are a lot of different ways to be finding properties and going about real estate investing, but my time is a big decision factor for me. If I don't have to deal with the rehab, finding tenants, finding the properties, I'm going to go about it that way. Now, if it needs a little bit of rehab, like some cosmetic work, paint, flooring, I'll do that. But if it needs a lot of rehab, I'd rather not do that. So if that sounds just like you, keep watching. If you didn't already know what turnkey real estate is, it's basically where everything is done for you. So there's a lot of companies out there that'll go out there, find the property, buy the property, and then put tenants in the property, and then go out and sell the property back to someone. There's a new company out there called Rent to Retirement. We're gonna hop into my computer right now, and I'm gonna show you what they're all about and kind of get an idea of how turnkey real estate investing works. So here we are on renttoretirement.com. And so what you're going to do is whenever you get to this website or any other type of website that does turnkey real estate investing, they're gonna have something like this where it has turnkey inventory. You can just click on this all active inventory. I'm going to give it a second. It's going to pull up this Excel spreadsheet. Now this gives you a ton of information, a lot of great information. What this is doing, look at this. Single family rental, duplex, fourplex, etc., etc., etc. It's giving you the address, what type of property it is. It's turnkey rehab. That means that, it's already been rehabbed for you and it's turnkey, so you just have to buy it. You can then click on this link that has a brochure. I'm going to show you that really quick. And then we're going to hop back over to the previous screen. So right here, you can see this is going to be a 17% ROI, which is return on investment. You're going to get cash flow of $369 per month on this property right here. You only have to put $35,000 down. And then there's a little bit of incentive, $2,000 credit or 0% property manager for the first year. Then you can go down and scroll down here and see a bunch of different details like what the property looks like, and they even break down everything for you. The purchase price, down payment, amount financed, etc., 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 the amount rent. And you can see that this property right here will get cash on cash return of 12% per year. And then you can see where the total cash on cash ROI projected for the next 10 years is going to be 417%. And you can see that on an annual basis for everything, for depreciation, appreciation, loan down payment, you can see that you're going to get a 38% return on your investment for year one. This is just a little bit about what turnkey real estate investing is and it's all about. So we're going to go back up here and we're going to the Excel spreadsheet, and you can see where you get a ROI, you get a cash flow. This is really your cash on cash return. The ROI is going to be a little bit different because the appreciation, depreciation, etc. So this is going to be a little bit different. This is just going to be your cash on cash return. Now you can see here's some seller incentives, 0% property management for the first year, 8% after that, etc., etc., etc. Year built. So these are new constructions. Obviously, this is when they're going to be built or they're already built. Then there's the down payment. This is what you're going to need. Let's say you have $40,000 and you'd be like, oh, cool. You know what? This property right here, 18% cash on cash return. I don't have to do anything except purchase this property, and that's the amount I'm going to get. Then that's what you're going to do. Obviously, you're going to want to have to do your own due diligence. Make sure that these numbers are correct. Now that you know what turnkey real estate investing is, do you want to know what the best real estate investing strategy out there for new beginning real estate investors? Instead of buying a normal rental where you're only cash flowing $300 per month, you have some appreciation, depreciation, etc., you can get all that plus about $1,000 per month in cash flow. Now, if you want to know what the best real estate investing strategy is for new beginning real estate investors, and you don't just want $300 a month in cash flow, you want thousands of dollars a month in cash flow, book a call with me and I can show you exactly what the best real estate strategy is, how you can make over $1,000 per month with one property. So if that's something that you're interested in, there's going to be a link in the description down below this video to book a free call with me. If you don't want to be talking on the phone and you just want to kind of like text me or message me, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave that in the description down below this video as well. You can just follow me on there, message me, you can see what it's all about. So if you're interested, go out and do that. If you don't want to do any of that, at least watch this next video that's going to be popping up on the screen right now to show you exactly how to run your numbers so you can do your own due diligence and make sure that these turnkey real estate properties are accurate. But until next video, I'm out. See ya.